Alfred, will you say something? The only golden jubilarian today.
Ako. Good afternoon. Nung sabi ni Manong Jimmy na i-repeat pag sabi niya, God is good, and he say only time. Iniisip ko na, God is not good, not that good. Kasi bakit ako lang ang pinahintulutan niyang dumating dito. That means to say that God is good to me only. Sa aming match. So I must be the favorite of God in our batch. So maybe because in order to reach the age of Jimmy, na tignan nyo naman parang bat 65. Ha? Kailangan ang pananampalataya sa Diyos. Yan. At saka, huwag nyo kalimutan yung tinuturo ni Ma'am Jimmy nung high school natin. Kailangan maging disiplinal yan tayo ng konti. Masarap ng lecture. Kumain tayo. Masarap din ang chicks. Kunti lang. Para sa gano'n, palagi may excitement. Lalakad tayo. Mayroon tayong pag-asa. Hindi tayo tatandagan, di ba? So, thank you very much. Hope to see all of you again next year. And yung mga tinawagan ko, kapatid ko na may sakit kayo, I will see to it that I will bring them next year. Thank you.
Thank you, Alfred. By the way, Alfred was the only one who gave a class picture of class 59, and we are hanging it in our room here. We have our meeting room here at the top of this building, and we meet there every now and then. All right, Henry, please take it away.
Thank you very much. The city of Baguio is gifted to have the leadership of many alumni. And as far as I could see, we have 3 of them in our midst. Of course, I'll never forget Judge Cabato, who has served for so long a time, and of course Judge Encarnacion too. But there are 3 who are still active, all sorts of criminalities. He belongs, I remember very well, we are a year apart, 77, 76. He was, at the time, he was so young and so good looking. Now just looking, but still very sharp. To give us some inspiring words. Let us all welcome